Alright, so I am inside of a brand new single wide mobile home that I just bought and had put in at my trailer park, and this is the air handler that it came with and presumably that it's going to stay with because it's a single wide, but it's a ICP product of some sort and Carrier 2-ton. See the tag right there. It's like a residential style air handler. There's the breakers for the heat kit. It's up off the floor, thermostat wire, all that fun stuff. This is where the coil would go. It doesn't have a coil in it right now. I'm waiting on my heat and air guy to show up. But yeah, fresh air intake. But yeah, just a quick little video. Don't know what condenser I'm going to go with. May not even go with a split system, but I don't know. Figured I'd do this quick little video. Alright, so I'm at my trailer park, and this is a brand new 2024 year model ICP R4H5 2-ton condensing unit in a brand new mobile home that I had hauled in. Now this is a system that my heat and air guy has put in, and it has a Copeland compressor. This thing is huge for a 2-ton. It goes up to, it's waist high, and I'm 6 foot. And Copeland compressor, which is good, and it has no name tag on it. It's one of the like I said, just generic ICP units. Here's the model number, R4H5. It's 15 SEER unit, and it uses a TXV indoor and piston outdoor. They did a good job. There's the condensate drain. It's through a piece of PVC for the brick guys, and it's a straight shot to the air handler. You can kind of see where the line set goes up into the house. The reason I went with a split system is because it'd be impossible to run ductwork for a package unit. And plus this is just a little old single wide unit. But yeah, 2-ton ICP condenser. Figured I'd just do this quick little video on it. So this is the indoor unit to the condenser. Carrier FED 024. It's got a float switch, TXV, clean out. It's got everything. And there's the brand new coil, slab coil, all aluminum.